No words can describe the hard circumstances the people are suffering here in the north of Gaza Strip. But we and you can give a helping hand, making the harvest a little bit easier. We are at Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan preparing hot meals for iftar for the needy and displaced people in the north of Gaza Strip.
Seeing a smile on children's faces means a lot. This is why today we are at Tal al-Hawa in Tal al-Zuhur school in the north of Gaza Strip, distributing 1,000 meals for the children and displaced people here. Be with us.